Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to Gadget Pool. In this video we're going to take a look at LG's new 4K OLED and Super UHD TVs. After commercially launching its wallpaper OLED TV at last year's CES, LG's 2018 showing was bound to be a little less flashy. And yes, the TVs themselves looks largely similar to their 2017 predecessors. The best one you can buy is still the signatured wallpaper TV that mounts to your wall, with the most of its guts in a soundbar that sits beneath the ultra-thin screen. But although design hasn't seen any real overhaul, LG has made significant refinements to image processing and is putting a big focus on its ThinQ artificial intelligence platform. In fact, AI is now part of the branding for all of these 2018 TVs. To augment its own AI capabilities, LG is also adding both Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa to its latest 4K OLED and Super UHD LCD TV lineup. Also new to the 2018 LG lineup is support for high frame rates, up to 120 fps. However, the TV themselves lacks HDMI 2.1, which is necessary to receive those higher frame rates from external devices. The biggest changes to LG's new TVs are in the software and image processing. A new Alpha 9 processor in the high-end model should deliver even more accurate color and enhanced image rendering. It also introduces 4-step noise reduction and bending elimination. During a preview of the new products, LG made a direct comparison with Sony's impressive OLED TV from last year, which used a panel from LG Display but featured the company's own image processing. This time around, LG is confident it has surpassed what Sony accomplished. WebOS is still the underlying operating system here, with the same colorful icons and main menu of streaming apps. But LG is making a big deal about its ThinQ AI platform and the additional of support for hundreds of voice commands. There aren't any always listening mics in these TVs or the remote. Instead, you press the microphone button and hold while speaking. Many of the most common asks will bring up results from Google Assistant, such as checking the weather, sports scores, and so on. You can also control smart home devices with Assistant. Voice commands offer deep control over the TV settings, allowing you to make adjustments, switch between pictures mode, and so on. The Google Assistant integration means you'll be able to control the TV from a nearby Google Home. And the same applies to Amazon Echo since there's an Alexa skill available. You just won't get any of the on-screen visual result when controlling the TV through Alexa. The step down from the LG AI signature OLED TV is the E8 OLED, which features a new picture-on-glass design. That effect is the result of a transparent base that makes it look like the TV screen is floating above its metal stand. LG is also giving its Super UHD LCD 4K TVs a nice upgrade with a move to full array backlighting. This means that individual areas of the backlight can light up or dim to create greater contrast. If you're not going OLED, full array backlighting is essential when looking for a quality LED set. So it's great to see LG making this improvement. All of LG's 2018 lineup supports a wide array of HDR format including Dolby Vision, HDR10, Advanced HDR, Hybrid Log Gamma, plus LG's own proprietary HLG Pro and HDR10 Pro enhancements. Even when viewing HDR10 content, LG claims that its proprietary algorithm dynamically manages brightness and contrast frame by frame for an end result that is closer in line with Dolby Vision. Dolby Atmos audio is also offered on both the OLED and Super UHD models. Okay guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Give us a like if you do. And don't forget to subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.